What I learned final segment. Talking to the moon. I know you're somewhere out there, somewhere far away. I want you back. I want you back. My neighbors think me crazy, but they don't understand. You're all I have. You're all I have. At night when the stars light up my room, I sit by myself, talking to the moon, trying to get to you. In hopes you're on the other side, talking to me too, or am I a fool who sits alone, talking to the moon? Oh, I feeling like a famous tell all the town. They say I've gone mad. Yeah, I got mad. But they don't know what I know, 'cause when the sun goes down, somewhere's talking back. Yeah, there's talking back. Oh, at night when the stars light up my room, I sit by myself, talking to the moon, trying to get to you. In hopes you are the other side, talking to me too, or am I a fool who sits alone, talking to the moon? Do you ever hear me calling? 'Cause every night I'm talking to the moon, still try to get to you. In hopes you're on the other side, talking to me too, forever fool who sits alone, talking to the moon. Oh, I know you're somewhere out there, somewhere far away. Thank you, teacher.